Hello everyone, my name is Sparsh Gambhir, and through this video I will demonstrate what I have made for firefighters, how it helps them, and how I came to that design decision. For a better structure, I have divided this video into 4 segments, which you can see right now. Let's get started with the first segment, the problem statement. My challenge for this project was to utilize the digital twin and design a product that will help firefighters see better in a structured fire, ultimately saving more lives and in some scenarios protecting their own. But before I go any further, I would like to clarify what a digital twin is. In layman terms, a digital twin is a digital replica of a physical object or place. Digital twin takes the physical objects as inputs and provides simulations and predictions as results. The next step was to conduct research and gain valuable insights to dictate and direct the product that I will be designing. My data collection for the research was through interviews with firefighters, analyzing answers on Quora.com, watching YouTube videos, and reading previous literature on the topic. Through my research, I gained an extraordinary amount of insights, however, I will keep them very brief for this video. The first and the obvious one was that firefighters encounter little to no visibility in a structured fire. Even though they are trained for such scenarios, it still becomes hard for them to gauge their surroundings. Next, firefighters still to this day use a handheld gas monitor and thermal imaging camera, and in most scenarios, there is only one thermal camera in a team of 4 firefighters. Lastly, firefighters have no prior information on the property when going in a structured fire apart from what their officers and dispatchers have told them. This means they have to assume a lot of things while making critical decisions, and we all know one small wrong decision in firefighting can take a life or lives. With all these valuable insights, I was able to design and sketch some ideas. And on the slide, you can see the sketches of the design that I went ahead with. To enhance the design even further, I made an illustration and a 3D render of the helmet. This helmet will act as a primary source of input for the digital twin model. It will also enhance the fighter's vision by providing them with a mixed reality thermal imaging view. To complement the helmet and complete the digital twin, I have designed a cloud-based application that analyzes the situation, predicts risks, allows tactical positioning, provides an instant response with Telstra 5G network integration, and displays crucial information on the go. Now let's see application in its full effect. When you first open the application, you will be prompted to interact as your designation. For this demonstration, I will be interacting as Incident Commander. Afterwards, you will be able to connect any team. I will connect to Team Alpha, who is attending to a structure fire in Lincoln Street. Once you connect to any team, you will be taken to the dashboard. On the dashboard, all the required necessary information will be provided right in front. The most important feature of this application lies in the situation analysis. Once you open the situation analysis, you will be able to see the risk analysis map, situation analysis, and the priorities the system has calculated on its own based on the inputs. The system will also predict the risk that can be there in the foreseeable future if the current situation persists. Using the timeline below, the officer can scrub and get a good look at the situation. If you look at the analysis and priorities, they have also been changed according to the situation. Now with the new data, the officer can change the team positions to handle the situation better. From here, the officer can tactically position each team member and then use the timeline feature again to predict if the current position of the team members will get the situation under control. Once the positions are changed, the new location will be updated on every team member's helmet screen, and the small navigation will assist them by providing guided lines. This whole feature addresses the key insight number 4 of the research. The application also displays the current status of each team member. It shows the camera feed, the thermal imaging feed, the firefighter's helmet screen with all the heads-up elements, and even the gas level. This feature addresses the key insight 2. In conclusion, the FireSafe app and the helmet will be handy for any firefighters. However, I would still like to get more opinions from firefighters to enhance the helmet and app even further.